Okay, so I'm here with an update. The skirt is quite big, and I did not want to take it in at the zipper because I would have to taper it all the way in and undo the hemline. I did consider darts, however, they were not looking good. So I decided to play with some visual interest, and I'm going to do a crossover pleat. That's not what it's really called, but that's what I'm calling it. So pretty much I'm going to take it and just make a big dart pleat right here on the side, which gives it that look or the illusion that, what are those skirts that kind of fold over? I don't want to call it a skirt, but you know what I'm talking about. You really can't see that. But it kind of gives the illusion that it's a slit, a lap over slit situation. Let me see. Here we go. You really can't see it here in the mirror, but I can see it. You see what I'm saying? I think it'll be fine once I complete it. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to add the waistband, but this is definitely worth wearing. So I'm going to go ahead and put this dart situation here. And it looks really cute. I wish I could really see it, but it ain't working out too much on the camera. There we go. Just a little bit. See, so it kind of gives that illusion that it crosses over. If y'all know the name of that type of skirt, let me know that style. I can't think of it. It's kind of like a skirt. I don't know. I can't think. But that's what I'm going to go with because I'm not going to mess with the hemline and the zipper and the side seam. I'm going to just add some visual interest to it by doing a fold over cross pleat dart situation. All right, and I'll keep y'all posted. So I'm getting a little bit of drag lines, but I think it's gonna work. I'm excited. I need to go ahead and pin this and just do it. See how it looks like a slit? What do y'all think? At first I was like, too many drag lines, but now I'm like, wait a minute. Hey. I cannot sing, but everything is a song, so hang in there with me. So this is this. I mean, I have a little drag line there, but who's looking? Whose business is it anyway? But I'm just gonna make this work. Or maybe I should just, I'm gonna figure out something. It's gonna be something that allures the eye to think that is, I don't know, something. So let's see. I'll keep y'all posted. Stay tuned. Okay, so I pinned, I didn't pin it just yet, but I faux pinned it to the side, the opposite side where the zipper is. And I think this might be better. It's not that many drag lines. I think I like this a lot better. So I'm gonna pin it. Ooh, do y'all see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? Ooh. This is it. It's gonna be it today. Okay, so yes, my initial thought was to just go ahead and do like a little dart pleat situation, but I got another situation. This is it. Look at there. Look at the fabric. It's just rising up and like folding in, and it's not supposed to. That ain't right. That ain't right. See that? I guess I'm gonna have to take it in from the side seams. Boo! All right, so I'm having many more dilemmas with this skirt pattern. I mean, I wanted something cute and shiny. I had this black fabric on hand. And let's go back to the genesis of this pattern. This pattern was self-drafted with my measurements 12 years ago. And I just added the needed amount for my current waist post 12 years from when I made the pattern. However, I guess I didn't account for if my hip depth changed, all the different things, because it's not laying where it needs to be in the back. And whenever I pin the sides to take in what I need to take in, fabric, it just rises up and folds in the back, which that should not be happening. So I'm guessing I just need to redraft a new A-line skirt pattern. I mean, I'm going to fix this. I'm going to figure this situation out. I'm going to still wear it because I made it, okay? I put hard work into it. So what if it rises in the back? You better not say nothing if you see me in public. Just say, girl, you're bold, girl. You're bold. You were bold. Congratulations. You did it. Because right now, this is just not working. So I can try to play around and manipulate the fabric with some darts and see if I can get away with it. But the back is not doing what it needs to do. I'm going to try to pin it so I can show you all what I'm talking about. And maybe if you sew or you're like an alterations pro, I can take some tips right now, okay? I can take some tips and suggestions. Okay, so here it is pinned a bit. And I don't have my tripod, so bear with me. I'm trying to see how long I can stretch my arm. But I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't look that bad now, but you see it? Oh, oh. See that? It ain't supposed to look like that. It looks funny. Okay. I don't know what to do. Okay, that's my dramatic cry for now. I don't know. Let me know your suggestions, please. Thank you. Okay, so I backtracked back to this side slit with the faux slit situation. I did pin it. I'm gonna show the back. And we're gonna vote. We're gonna vote on this. We're gonna say, girl, you better wear that skirt. Or baby, honey, you need to fix that. Let's see. Okay. And you see, it doesn't look that bad if I'm walking or just standing. Oh my goodness. What are we supposed to do? Let me fix this shirt. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Is this a yay or nay, guys? I don't know. I don't know. But do you see how it's a faux looking slit situation right there? That's gotta count. Okay, let's vote. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no?